If you own the Oral-B 3708, charging it is simple, thanks to its inductive charging system. That means there are no exposed metal charging pins. Just place the handle upright on the compatible charging base and make sure it sits flat and centered. For the first charge, leave it on the base for about 12 to 16 hours. After that, regular charging usually takes around 12 hours. A full battery typically gives you about a week of use if you brush twice daily for 2 minutes. If it's not charging, start by checking the outlet. Plug something else into the same socket to confirm it's working. Then wipe the base and the bottom of the toothbrush handle with a dry cloth. Toothpaste residue or moisture can interfere with the inductive connection. Make sure the handle is seated properly and not tilted. If charging suddenly takes more than 20 hours, or the battery drains quickly after several years, the charger or battery may be wearing out. Using the correct compatible charging base ensures proper voltage and performance.